So we're on our way to Rockamama's Durbanville, and then we're going to the nursery. Okay, so how was your breakfast?
I had a fantastic breakfast, thank you.
So now we're gonna go for a haircut. You're gonna go for a haircut.
I have to get rid of my red locks.
Your red locks.
Okay,
Yes.
what I'm gonna do is,
No.
It's gonna shave it all off. Bald.
I might just go into hiding for a few weeks.
Or what?
Avoid your haircut. So we're gonna go and get the haircut, and then we're gonna go to the nursery, and then we're gonna do some gardening.
Put fuel in, get snacks, go to the nursery.
We already got snacks.
Fine.
We've had enough snacks.
Get a haircut, put fuel in, get snacks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wait, no snacks. Okay, so we just went to what? Atlantic Pebbles?
Atlantic Pebbles.
So we went to Atlantic Pebbles. We're looking for stones to fill the garden, get rid of the weeds, and then do a nice little potted garden on top. So we're just pricing some places at the moment, and then we'll decide from there. Okay, so these are proteas. We're also pricing proteas. I want to do like a little protea garden. So yeah, let's see. It's a bit expensive here. It was a bit cheaper than Hermanus. So hopefully we can find a place that sells affordable proteas. Hello, little one. Oh, Lilith. Hello. It's okay. It's okay. Keep kitties off the bags. Okay, I promise I won't jump on the bags. Okay, these would work, but these are those normal garden stones. Not the biggest fan. Okay, so we're just at Rusty Garden Bar Nursery, and their pots are very affordable, but I'm looking for a specific shape, size and color, so they can paint them according to whatever color you want. But the shape that I want specifically is no longer in production. So I'm gonna have to keep my eye out. But the first plan is get rid of the weeds in the garden and put the stones down. So I think we've found those other stones at the river. What's it? Riverstone. Atlantic Pebbles. Yeah. Atlantic Pebbles. So we're gonna go get some pebbles and then go and do some garden stuff. Is this the Riverstone? Are these 50?
50 then, yeah.
Okay, I'm looking for 8 bags of this Riverstone. I like this bag. Okay, so this is the current situation of the garden, just a whole bunch of weeds, and so it's not looking so great. The plan is to put the stones all along this wall and then get some nice big pots eventually and make it look really homey. I've managed to, this side, super clean, so like there's this hard stuff here, but it comes off, so we're gonna try and neaten up the edges. Okay, a little update. We've got some comfortable chairs down there to relax because this job is taking longer than we expected. There's a lot of weeds, so yeah, we're just gonna keep going at it. Little update. This side is looking good. We got rid of some of the weeds. We know that the weeds are going to come back, so we're just going to have to keep putting weed killer. We're going to put stones here, so luckily we don't have to worry about killing plants and stuff. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we are officially done on day 1. We have made some good progress, but it's getting a bit darker out and the energy is a bit low, so we're going to carry on tomorrow. But it's looking good. This section hasn't been done. But yeah, exciting times. Then we can throw the stones on tomorrow, maybe even use some weed killer. I'm not sure what the vibe is. Hi there.
Hi.
How are you feeling after day 1?
I feel good. I feel like we
accomplished a lot. Yeah, I think so too. But tomorrow is the real deal. Tomorrow is the exciting part, the more exciting and more fun part. Morning, guys. So today's day 2 of trying to sort out the garden. We're going to Boulders to fetch some weed killer, and then we're going to throw that down, do a few things, and then get back into the garden. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And then later, little walk around Milnerton car boot sale market. It's gonna be cool. So this is the type of pot I'm looking for, the same style and height, but it's proving difficult to find at an affordable price because we need about 5 of these, and this is 1,209. The other place was averaging at about 300 rand a pot this size, so, but they don't sell it anymore, so we're gonna have to keep our eye out. Okay, so we're back from the mall. We went to quickly go and get some breakfast and some coffee, but now we are ready to go ahead and do this clear pave, which apparently kills everything. So we're doing, I think it's 20 milliliters with with a liter of water. So we're doing 40 mils with 2 liters of water, and then we're gonna spray it all over the garden, leave it for a little bit, and then throw the stones down, make it look lovely. So that's the goal. We've got like 2 hours to get it done, and then I'm supposed to be going off to the market later, so let's see. Okay, so it's got this little measure cup, so we need to do 20 mils. Do you wanna pour it in? Okay, so just in case you want to take the rebel route, we're not using protective gloves, but you should probably use protective gloves. So just be careful, don't get it on your skin. We're gonna do 20 mils, so the best way to measure that is to actually come down to this level, pour it in, and then pour 20 mils. We're doing 40 mils in there because it's 2 liters.
So we should 20.
20. Looks like cough syrup, but don't drink it. Nice. 20 mils. Perfect. Look at that bad boy.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we're going to do another 20 mils. We're doing 40.
Get it in there.
Beautiful stuff. We're going to kill these weeds so that they don't come back, and if they do, we're going to keep killing them. They need to know they're not welcome. Oh, shove it.
On the table.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
Okay. Maybe we should just clear that up in case.
Alright.
Sorted. Okay, we put that there. Maybe you can just shake it up a bit. Imagine I squirt myself in the face with it. Nice. Let's get pumping. Okay, so we're officially done pulling out weeds. We know that they're not all gone, but we're gonna try and spray everything now. It's a bit loud outside. Everyone's busy doing something today. So yeah, but we're quite tired now. Got some places to be, so let's spray it and throw some rocks down, and hopefully it looks great. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's looking pretty good. We've got all the blocks laid out. Looks like we're going to need a lot more than 8 bags. Probably about 24 bags we need, but it looks lovely. I'm leaving Dylan to finish up here, and then I'm off for a little bit. And yeah, let's see how this process goes. here at Milnerton Market. It's hustling and bustling, so let's see what we can find. So that was a great success. We got some themes, happy days. We managed to catch quite a bit of the things before they closed, so lucky.